Hey y'all, I'm CryptoBo, and today I'm doing a short review of one of the oldest hardware wallets on the market, the Ledger Nano S. If you're thinking about securing your cryptocurrency from hackers and getting your coins out of the custodial wallet system, then click the link in the description, head over to the Ledger store, and get a little discount on your first purchase. So you bought your cryptocurrency, and now you want to store them in a more secure environment. Enter the Ledger Nano S, a sleek hardware wallet with a minimalist design like that of a USB drive. At $69, it's a cost-efficient alternative to wallets like Trezor and the more robust Ledger Nano X. You can see it comes with a nice little getting started card, which will lead you to ledgernano.setup or start.ledgerwallet.com. And then it comes with all the necessary accoutrements. So your USB to micro USB connection cable. The micro USB goes in the Ledger Nano, and then the USB connects to your computer. You can see it has two of these handy buttons right here. This is going to be used to make selections, and then both pressed at the same time will be used to validate transactions. And you'll see things show up on the screen here that tell you how to set up your Ledger Nano, as well as it'll prompt you when asking for validations of transaction. And then the most important part, which is their little welcome booklet, which comes included within it, little pieces of paper for you to write your recovery phrases on. So when you set up your Ledger Nano, it'll give you a recovery phrase of 24 words, and you write them in order. Then the Ledger will have you validate that it has them in the correct order, and then this is functionally your paper wallet. It is your backup for your Ledger Nano. So if anything ever happens to your Ledger Nano, you'll need to have this in a safe place so that you can recover it, because you can buy a new Ledger Nano and recover it using your 24 recovery words. But remember, this has to stay in a safe place. But they give you multiple, so you can create several different wallets that are all backed up on the same Ledger Nano. It is a little bit limited by space, as I said. If you want to do multiple cryptocurrencies with just this, then you'll probably need to set up multiple different wallets with multiple different recovery phrases. But that's a little bit more advanced. If all you want to do is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, keep it to 5 or 6 cryptocurrencies, and you want to start a savings account outside of a bank, this is the way to do it. Setup is easy and straightforward, with guides and videos available on the Ledger website, as well as countless YouTube videos. The Ledger app gives good information and is an easy way to manage your portfolio. More important than that, the Ledger team has done a lot of work to counter exploits to the system as they arise, such as adding to the character limit of the security pin and forcing users to verify their public key on the device itself before depositing funds. The active support of the development team has gone a long way to assuring users of the security of their hardware wallets. After some early missteps, the new security protocols allow you to not only store your crypto, but validate transactions of a web wallet like MetaMask, allowing users to interact securely with Web 3.0 applications. With all that said, the wallet does have limitations. The fact that there are only 2 buttons can make the setup process long and repetitive, and the limited memory means that it can only support a few different types of coins. For instance, the Bitcoin and Ethereum apps take up the majority of the space on the device, allowing only 3 or 4 other currencies. But that does mean that it can hold any ERC20 token, which are all Ethereum based. Just don't expect to hold all of your ICOs on this device. In sum, the Ledger Nano S is an affordable way to secure your cryptocurrency and start interacting with the decentralized economy. A good first step, but maybe not a final destination. It's a great wallet for beginners and a good place to start. If you want to pick one up, click the link in the description, head over to the Ledger store, and get a little discount on your first purchase. Also, help support the channel. As always, if you like the video, please leave a like, comment with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, and subscribe to get notified when we release new videos. I'm CryptoBo. Thanks for watching.